open it. Scissors. Really everything open. No, one box. Premium toner cartridge. Accidentally I bought this one. I was supposed to buy only this one, and I didn't know that it was already in the subscription settings, so then I had to open it. So just this thing. So I already put my link, so how to put this thing about, but first I'm gonna put it back. I'm not gonna open it yet for now because I just bought a new one. I mean, I just put it on first, the new things. So hope, I don't know if these guys help you with opening a box without a scissors. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put this one later, but because it's almost, my printer is almost no ink. Put this back first. Let's put this back. There. Okay. So okay, thanks guys for watching. Comment down below if you want me to open this box for a later date. Alright? Yeah. It's a black toner cartridge. So, okay. Ciao. Bubuksan na namin yung box. Ano ito bubuksan? I don't know. Mystery box. Tissue po yan. Tissue ni Ayesha. Tissue pala yun. Bupe. 4, 5. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Tapos na. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.